Well, healthy sleep is very important. Getting a good sleep is just not important for your energy levels, it is also critical for your heart health. Sleep is not a luxury. It is crucial to good health. Sleep helps you repair your body. Getting enough good sleep also helps you function normally during the day. Most adults need at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Adults who sleep less than 7 hours each night are more likely to develop heart problems like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, stroke, asthma, and even depression. So many factors can interfere with good night sleep, which can vary from stress related to work, family responsibilities, and even illnesses. So we should consider good sleeping habits, that is sleep hygiene, so that we can maintain a good 7 hours of sound sleep. There are many factors that interfere with your sleep. However, you can adopt habits that encourage better sleep. Good sleeping habits, sometimes also referred as sleep hygiene, include you need to be consistent and stick to a sleeping schedule. Go to bed and get up at the same time every day, including weekends. Can be consistent. Being consistent reinforces your body's sleep wake cycle. If you don't fall asleep within 20 minutes of going to bed, leave your bedroom and do something relaxing like reading a book or listening to a soothing music. Go back to bed when you're tired. Second most important thing is paying attention to what you eat and drink. Don't go to bed hungry or overeating. In particular, avoid heavy or large meals within a couple of hours of bedtime. Nicotine, caffeine, and alcohol deserve a caution too. The stimulating effects of all these nicotine, caffeine take hours to wear off and can interfere with sleep. And even though alcohol might make you feel sleepy at first, it can disrupt your sleep later in the night. The third thing and the very important and the most important part of sleep hygiene is creating a restful environment. That is, keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Exposure to light in the evenings might make it more challenging to fall asleep. Excessive light exposure can throw off your sleep and circadian rhythm. Avoid prolonged use of light emitting screens just before going to bed, like tablets, smartphones, and laptops. The light from these electronic devices can suppress your natural production of melatonin. Consider using dark room shades, earplugs, and other devices to create a healthy environment. Also, you should avoid or limit daytime naps. Long daytime naps can interfere with your nighttime sleep. If you nap for too long or too late in the day, it can make it harder to get your sleep. The best time to nap is shortly after lunch, and the best nap length is around 20 minutes. Next is be more active, increase your physical activity during your daily routine because it promotes better sleep. Avoid intense exercise close to your bedtime because it may hinder your body's ability to effectively settle down for sleep. And the last is manage stress. Try to resolve your worries or concerns before bedtime. Jot down what's on your mind and then set aside it for tomorrow. Stress management is very helpful. Start with basics such as getting organized, setting priorities, and delegating tasks. Meditation can also ease anxiety.